Hello to our Gold participants from around the world. I'm Fiona Lang-Sharp, IBCLC Public Relations Manager and MC for Gold Learning. Welcome to our Gold Neonatal Online Conference for 2017. And I would like to welcome Dr. Ying Tang Ng, who's going to be presenting at our conference about ECMO and medication therapy management. Welcome, Ying Tang. How are you today?
I'm good, thank you, Fiona.
Well, firstly, I'd love it if you could introduce yourself to our listening audience today and tell them a little bit about what you do on your daily practice.
Thank you. So my name, like Fiona had mentioned, is Ying Tang Ng. I am currently an assistant professor with pharmacy practice at Husson University School of Pharmacy in Bangor, Maine. My specialty is pediatrics, and currently I practice in general pediatrics, the pediatric intensive care unit, and the neonatal intensive care unit.
So I imagine on any given day, that's a fairly busy job with many things to juggle there.
It definitely is, on top of teaching students and precepting students in my practice site as well.
Wow. But it probably keeps you up to date, or you're constantly learning, and probably partly why you're here with us today, of course, is talking more about these types of interventions. So perhaps you can elaborate a little bit about why you decided that you wanted to teach on this specific topic and why it was important to you.
Definitely. So my interest in ECMO, or extracorporeal membrane oxygenation, actually originated during my first year of pharmacy residency at Wolfson Children's Hospital in Jacksonville, Florida. So we were a level 3 or 4 NICU that provided ECMO. And during my first rotation in the NICU, I had the opportunity to take care of 2 patients that were on ECMO. And this really sparked my interest in regards to medication management and therapy management. And then later on my rotation in the pediatric intensive care, I encountered another patient that was started on ECMO. And again, to me, it's so challenging that it just made me want to work harder to improve my knowledge and to provide the best patient care I could.
Well, that's fantastic, Wing Tong. It's great to hear your passion behind the ECMO, and I have very limited experience with ECMO as a practitioner, but I will tell you that my son did not eventually go on ECMO, but they prepared him for ECMO at one point after a surgery had not gone well for him. So learned a little bit in the day about what it was and what needs to happen. And I know that it's a very fine balance sometimes. So it's good to hear that you are passionate about this and that you're trying to improve things and make things better. So lastly, could you tell us a little bit about what you're looking forward to teaching here at Gold Neonatal?
I look forward to just sharing some of my experience and some really interesting data in the past 5 years or so on ECMO therapy management. There's not a lot of data and articles out there, but hopefully this will also spark interest into research, so we can find more data regarding this population.
Well, that's great. Thank you so much. It will be a pleasure having you here, and I can't wait to hear your full presentation. And for our listening audience today, join us for our keynote opening for Gold Neonatal Online Conference 2017 on May 8th. We'll look forward to seeing you all then. And you can go to the website to check out all of the other times for the presentations at www.goldneonatal.com. Thank you so much again, Dr. Ying Tang Ng, for being with us here today, and thank you to our listening audience. Bye-bye for now, everyone.